Assalamu alaikum, everyone. Welcome to today's educational ultrasound presentation. Today, I'm sharing a very important and interesting fetal anomaly scan performed at approximately 20 weeks of gestation. This case demonstrated multiple severe congenital abnormalities involving the fetal skull, spine, urinary system, and lower limbs. This presentation is intended for educational purposes. During the anomaly scan, the fetal head shape immediately appeared abnormal. Normally, at this gestational age, the fetal skull has a smooth oval contour. However, in this fetus, the skull showed an elongated oblong appearance with frontal scalloping, producing the classical lemon-shaped skull appearance. The lemon sign is an important indirect marker associated with open neural tube defects, particularly spina bifida. On further evaluation of the fetal spine, significant abnormalities were identified. The spine appeared shortened with loss of normal thoracic kyphosis and lumbar lordosis. In several areas, widening of the posterior spinal elements was visualized. Clear separation and abnormal spacing was seen. A definite spinal defect was identified in the lower spine, consistent with spina bifida or meningomyelocele. Careful evaluation of the lower limbs also demonstrated abnormal positioning and deformity of the feet, likely representing clubfoot deformity, which is commonly associated with neural tube defects due to neurological involvement. Both kidneys demonstrated renal pelvic fullness, and urinary bladder was either poorly visualized or persistently absent during examination, raising concern for associated urinary abnormality and impaired fetal urinary function. The fetal posture and alignment also appeared distorted because of the spinal abnormality. This case demonstrates how severe neural tube defects can involve multiple organ systems and the importance of a systemic second trimester anomaly scan. Whenever evaluating a fetus during anomaly scan, it is extremely important to assess skull shape, intracranial markers, entire spine in sagittal, transverse, and coronal planes, posterior spinal elements, kidneys, and urinary bladder. Neural tube defects remain among the most important congenital abnormalities detected during prenatal ultrasound, and careful scanning technique is essential for timely diagnosis. Thank you very much for watching this educational case presentation. Please like, subscribe, and share for more educational ultrasound cases.